Hey guys, this is Chris at Blue Dog Custom Fab in Grant, Alabama. Uh, just really wanted to jump on and let everybody know we appreciate you. We thank you for all your comments, all your likes and shares on all the social media posts we've done over the last few weeks. We're so grateful for that. So, if you will, be sure to like us on Facebook, follow us over on Instagram and TikTok. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Just hit the subscribe button, and uh, hopefully, we'll be posting a lot of longer content over on our on the YouTube channel coming up in the next few weeks. Just really want to show you who we are as a company, who we are as individuals, introduce you to all the guys and gals that make this thing happen all the time. We'll be showing you a lot of the cool products that we make. We'll be showing you how we make those cool products, a lot of the tools and equipment that we use each and every day to make those products. Like to get in depth on how we use that and some of the reasoning behind why we do things the way we do. We hopefully we'll have some funny stuff as well. We've got a pretty good group of fruitcakes working here each day, so it's not hard to get funny content there. We've kind of been away from the social media thing for the last few years. Haven't done a whole lot, just kind of getting back into it. So we really appreciate all the shares and likes and comments. If there's something that you would like to see that we're not doing that you think we possibly could do, we're very interested in you letting us know that. Just comment, let us know, and if we've got the capabilities to make content pertaining to that, then we'll do that. We've been in business here a long time. If you're not familiar with us, Blue Dog Custom Fab is actually named after my blue heeler. Her name is Nala. You'll get to see some video of her as well. She's a pretty funny dog. She's plenty of energy. She is 5 years old now, and we love her, but she's crazy. So watch out for some video of her. It's pretty entertaining in itself. We're going to be showing you some in-depth things on not just what's going on here at the shop, but maybe some other things as well over on the farm. If you're not familiar as well, we actually own another company called Street Rod Garage, SRG. It's actually run out of the same building. We are on that side a chassis manufacturer of aftermarket frames, suspension, chassis systems for old cars, 69 Camaros, Tri-5 Chevys, C10 trucks, Chevelles, Cadillacs, Corvettes, basically putting new suspension and frames under old cars. We ship these all over the world. We've been in business here since 1979. We started out, my dad and my grandfather started the business back then. It was basically just fixing up a few old cars to resell. Soon turned into a parts store, auto repair center, and it kind of went from there. In 1999, 2000, we started building chassis for the public. Started with one particular chassis and kind of grew it from there. Now we build 160 different year, make, and model chassis. So we have an automotive background, but the other side of our family was in construction. My grandfather was in commercial construction and residential construction for many years. My dad, which is involved with the Street Rod Garage side of our business now, was also in construction. So we've got a background there. My son is a contractor. My youngest son has been doing commercial site prep. So we kind of got both sides of it. So that's where Blue Dog Custom kind of stemmed from on the architectural hardware side, the floating or monostringer staircase brackets and systems that we sell, a lot of the heavy timber frame brackets and floating shelf brackets, floating mantle brackets, things like that. That's where that come from. Of course, we've always done signs, metal signs, custom signs for schools and businesses, government agencies, government contractors. We do a lot of that. We do a lot of farm signs, a lot of ranch signs, a lot of custom signs. Our number one seller on the sign side is uh, our camper signs, our RV signs, that are stake signs that you stick in your campsite, personalized with a camper like yours and your name or whatever you wanted on it. So that's our number one seller on that side. So um, we got a lot going on with the chassis and the fabrication of the suspension stuff, and we also build and restore old cars. So we've usually got 7 or 8 old cars going all the time in the shop. So you may see some bleed over from one company to another. So we may be doing a video for Blue Dog Custom Fab, and you see an old hot rod in the background, or we might be doing a video on a old hot rod, and you may see a sign or some architectural hardware in the back. So all run out of the same business. A lot of times it's the same people. Uh, we're not a mega company. A lot of times you see a logo or a company that you may have known for a long time. And you think, man, that's a big company or a big conglomeration, corporation or whatever like that. That's not us. There's about 10 or 12 of us usually that kind of do it all. We are the engineers. We are the fabricators. We are the welders. We are the designers. We're the paint crew. We're the shipping and receiving. We are the maintenance crew and the janitorial crew. So we clean the toilets as well. So if you've ever been to a fab shop toilet, then that's not a pleasant thing, but we try to keep them as clean as possible. But anyway, we've got lots of stuff coming for content on Blue Dog Custom Fab, also on Street Rod Garage. So, man, go follow us on all those. We have Facebook pages for both those companies. We have TikTok. We have Instagram for both of those. Go follow us on those platforms and subscribe to both of our YouTube channels, because we'll have some different videos. Some of the videos will overlap, but some of the videos will be on Blue Dog Custom Fab, and some of the videos will be on Street Rod Garage. So, man, go like and follow and subscribe to all those, and check out what we do. We've been doing it a long time, since about '79. So, kind of some cool stuff that we do. We're proud of what we do. We're proud of our people that do the work every day. We're going to introduce you to some of those guys as well. We'll probably bring in on occasion some people that visit. We have some older guys that visit, not necessarily customers or anything to do, but they're pretty interesting. We've got some old guys that are veterans that hang out sometimes and have some good stories. So we're going to probably talk to some of those guys as well. We'll be talking to some customers, hopefully on both sides, the Blue Dog side and the SRG side. We'll be talking to some of our vendors, where we get our some of the products that we don't make, and maybe even some raw materials. We're just going to show you everything that we can show you. Try to make it entertaining. Try to make it, give you information that might help. Give you some content that most people don't get to see. We're in a small town, Grand Alabama. It's very small. We're up from Guntersville Lake. We're about 5 miles from the lake, from where we're sitting. We're about 3 miles from Cathedral Caverns State Park, which is amazing. We're about a mile from the DAR school, which has several historic buildings on it on the National Historic Registry. It's Daughters of the American Revolution School. It's a very good school. My wife recently retired from there. My mother is still a history teacher there. My future daughter-in-law is just got her teaching degree, and she is subbing there, and hopefully will probably get a job there soon. My youngest son that we mentioned that does commercial site prep, he is actually still in college to get his teaching degree, and will continue on like his grandmother in hopefully being a history teacher and probably a coach. So, like I said, we have a lot going on. We're very thankful for our customers. We're thankful for you guys that will be watching some of our content. We ask anytime you have opportunity and you like what we're doing, tell us. If you don't like what we're doing, tell us. We like constructive criticism, and we will make whatever we need to make right if we can. We try to do the right thing. We try to live right, and we try to do the best we can do every day. So we're grateful for our customers, and we're grateful for you guys watching our stuff. Hope you find it interesting, and hope we can show you something that maybe you've never seen before. So keep watching. We're going to be bringing videos out to all the platforms almost on a daily basis, probably. And some of the longer stuff, like this video, will be on YouTube, and then we will drop videos on the other platforms, maybe with links that link you over to the YouTube channel. So be watching for that, and we'll give you a heads up when new content drops on YouTube through the other platforms. And if you're interested in watching some of the longer stuff, then jump over there and watch that. If not, just keep rolling, keep scrolling, and we'll see you next time that you stop by to see us, and maybe comment or like our stuff. So thank you very much. We appreciate it and look forward to getting to know some of you guys. So comment when you can, like us when you can, and share as often as possible so we can get this channel built up, and get all the platform followers built up, and we'll go from there. So thanks, guys, and look forward to the next video. Appreciate it very much.